Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So here we have the stylist adding in some color. Gorgeous caramel highlights mixed in. Wow, her hair looks absolutely stunning. Such a pretty hair color combination. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, so the stylist is blindfolding herself and the client. Adding in some color. Wow, so pretty. I love the dimension with the coloring. This is absolutely stunning. So it looks like she's cutting off just a tad bit of hair for this one. Wow, another gorgeous mid-length cut. So pretty, that color is unreal. Then we see someone with mid-length dark hair. And she decides to switch it up with this bob haircut. Very nice. Once again, we see someone with mid-length hair. Beautiful bob haircut. I really like that color that she has as well. Very nice. And then we see someone in for a cut refresh. Wow, she went with this icy platinum pixie. This is beautiful. Very nice. Then we have another pixie haircut. She does have that asymmetrical shape and some bangs in the front to frame out her face. So there is the before, and there is the after. I love the chestnut brown coloring with the highlight. So pretty. Very nice tousled bob makeover. Next up, we have that stylist who likes to blindfold her clients. Looks like she cut some hair. Ooh, wow. This particular stylist is amazing at doing color. I love the dimension that she's able to add within the client strands. It's beautiful. And then we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. She does have some gray here with the salt and pepper. The stylist chops the hair into a pixie. Ooh, gorgeous pixie bob style. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.